Hello everyone, welcome to Dasu Design Tutorials. Today we will learn how to make half drop repeat pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So this video has been created on the request of a viewer. So let's begin with the tutorial. So for this you need a square of 100 points to 100 points. So go to file, go to new and select the width 100 points and height 100 points and click on create. So as you can see, we have a square of 100 points by 100 points. For the repeat pattern, you need a basic one shape, and I will be choosing this star tool for creating a star. Now I'll fill this with a black color and stroke nil. Now I will drag this to the center of the image, and I will also keep this at 90 degree. Now I want 4 copies out of this one shape in all the 4 corners. So I will select this and go to Object, Transform, Move, and as you can see, it has moved to the lower left corner when the horizontal is minus 50 points and vertical is 50 points. And click on copy. You can also preview it before clicking on the copy. Now I will again go to Object, Transform, Move, and I will change this subtract to the vertical subtract, and I will preview it. You can see it is previewing and it is appearing on the lower right corner, and click on copy. Now I will again go to Object, Transform, Move, and I will preview it. It is appearing here. Now I will again go to Object, Move, and I will subtract both of them so it will appear here, and click on copy. Now as you can see, 4 copies have been made, and I have one shape in the center and 4 copies in all the 4 corners. Now I will make a square and click here 100 points by 100 points and click on OK. Now I will move this to the center of the image and fill color will be none, and I will send this to the back. So this square is there, but it is not appearing to us. Now I will select all of them by selecting on Control A on the keyboard, and I will go to the swatches panel and drag it here. Now my swatch has been made. Now I will save this to my swatch library and save swatch library as AI, and I will give the name black star and click on save. Now I will see how it is appearing. Now I will again go to new file and select this landscape and click on create, and I will make a rectangle of the same size of the artboard. Now I will see swatch is not appearing, but I have saved it, so I can retrieve it, open swatch library, user defined, and black star. So as you can see, my black star pattern has been appeared, and I select this, and here you go. You have a beautiful half drop seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator by following only these simple basic steps. So I hope my viewers request I've done very needfully, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye till then.